Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Automart YouTube channel. My name is Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm going to be showing you around this late 2020 Toyota Corolla XL. The XL is a top of the range model featuring the black leather sports seats with the red accents. It's got a rear camera, all round sensors and much more. Got the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, really lovely looking car. It's also had the optional extra of the two-tone paintwork. This car was registered on the 1st of September 2020, so it's just turned 3 years old and it's just had its first MOT. I'll take you inside the car now. You've got electronically adjustable lumbar support, which is great for comfort. These are the sports seats. They're height adjustable for both driver and passenger. It's done very low mileage as well. This car is covered just 13,798 miles, which is really low. You've got your centre touchscreen here as well with built-in navigation, phone connectivity as well. Dual zone climate controls for you and your passenger can be different temperatures. There's your automatic gearbox. It's the 1.8 self-charging hybrid with the CVT automatic transmission. We've got the handbrake as well. The great thing about this one is it engages and releases by itself, so when you put your foot on the brake, so you don't need to press it manually, which is really good. We've got two cup holders there as well. I'll just put the car into reverse so you can see the rear camera. There you go, you've got the guidelines on there as well, and it's all in colour, so very easy to see. You can see there that the electronic handbrake just came off and it went to reverse, put it into park and it comes back on, so really great. You do have two sets of ISOFIX points in the back, and you do also have the armrest with cup holders. I'll show you that now. You've also got a sporty dark headlining in this car. I'll show you the back seats now, in the same leather, and you've got your armrest with the cup holders, which is great. Seats down, you can see there. Really nice. Got your hatchback boot as well, and under here of course you do have the tyre inflation kit, which is what most newer vehicles have got now anyway, so it's good. It's still under its Toyota warranty, so Toyota give 5 years warranty, so it's got 2 years left, which is great. Always good to have that peace of mind. Of course, Japanese cars in general, and especially Toyotas and Honda, as we know, are very good, reliable vehicles. Excellent. This is great as well, being self-charging hybrid. You don't have to plug it in, but you get excellent fuel efficiency and a really easy vehicle to drive as well. If you do have any questions about this Corolla, please don't hesitate to contact us and we'll be very happy to help. We do offer flexible financial options, and part exchange is always welcome, no matter what the make, model, mileage. We're based on Kendal Motor Village at the Honda dealership. Just go in and ask for Automart and we'll be able to help you out. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you very shortly.